Hello viewers, here this is my YouTube channel Usama Tech Ideas. Before starting this video, all viewers please subscribe my YouTube channel Usama Tech Ideas and press the bell icon for more informative and amazing videos. Today we discussed Shopify stores in the United States. There are 9,05,259 live Shopify stores in the United States. In this report, we shall cover the following essential statistics of Shopify stores in the United States. First is Shopify store growth in the United States. Next, top categories for Shopify stores in the United States. Now, Shopify growth in the United States. Shopify worldwide quarter-over-quarter growth has been quite impressive over the last few years, and that trend is visible within most countries. Next, here is Shopify quarter-over-quarter growth in the United States. It's hard to know exactly when a Shopify store was first created, but we use a heuristic combining DNS and WHOIS data that provides a reasonable approximation. Top categories for Shopify stores in the United States. Here is the breakdown of industry verticals Shopify stores in the United States. Next is social media usage on Shopify stores in the United States. E-commerce brands use social media sites to engage with millions of consumers. Instagram, Facebook, and dominant social media sites for e-commerce stores by far, with Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube also having notable usage. Next is contact information on Shopify stores in the United States. Email remains an extremely popular communication channel for merchants. Next is Shopify Plus stores in the United States. There are 12,642 Shopify Plus stores in the United States. For more information on Shopify Plus, read our Shopify Plus report. Next is states with the most Shopify stores in the United States. It's relatively easy to identify the current country in which an e-commerce store operates. However, very few e-commerce stores provide a location to the state level or city level, and even favor provide a street address. Next, cities with the most Shopify stores in the United States. Here is the city distribution of Shopify stores in the United States. Note that we are only showing the top 15 locations here, but you can see the full list within store leads. Next is top Shopify apps in the United States lists. With the paid account on stores leads, you shall be able to see which stores have installed specific apps. You can also see when specific apps were installed by each store. Number of employees for Shopify stores in the United States. Next is top shipping carriers for Shopify stores in the United States. Next is top level domain distribution for Shopify stores in the United States. .com is the most common top level domain by far for worldwide Shopify stores. Some countries have been faster than others to adopt alternate top level domains. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope all viewers subscribe my YouTube channel Usama Tech Ideas and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.